This is Lucy Carrington. Lucy works in the new product department of an insurance company. She is responsible for assigning risk rates to new product suggestions, and right now she is in the middle of a business process that has been automated using the AuraPortal platform. Lucy accesses her tasks in the AuraPortal platform. Here she can see a list of all her pending tasks. This task belongs to a business process entitled New Product Request Rates Filing. This is the reference name for the process. This is the specific name of the task at hand. It instructs her to upload some documentation and define some rules and rates. And the suggested product is home insurance for the Finnish market. She clicks on this task. Lucy sees that this is a task for home insurance for Finnish market. It is specifically designed for Finnish log houses. Note, log homes are crafted from Finnish wood. They must be certified, safe and audited to last for centuries. Lucy could continue with this task, but first she would like to discuss something about the building material used in Finland. Two of her colleagues have done some research on this subject and she would like to consult them about risk rating for the traditional Finnish log house. This button here is for opening a discussion. AuraPortal users can find this option in any task or area within AuraPortal that involves human interaction. She writes the topic of the discussion here, building material in Finnish log houses, and explains the purpose. I open this discussion because I am inputting the rates for a potential new home insurance for the Finnish market, and I would like to know your opinion on the logs used in traditional Finnish log houses. Do you think I should consider it a level A+ risk? Now she clicks on Open Discussion and AuraPortal creates a virtual communication link between this task and Microsoft Teams. Now she has a Teams channel for them to discuss the topic. This icon would take her to the channel in Teams that has just been created for them. Alternatively, she could stay in her task and continue working on it. This is a different user named Daniel Doherty. He is one of Lucy's colleagues. You can see that Daniel has received an email inviting him for a new discussion, sent by Lucy Carrington. The topic of the discussion, purpose, process, members of the channel created in Teams, etc. are all visible. By clicking here on the Teams icon, he has direct access to the channel that has just been created for them to discuss Lucy's question on risk rating in Finland. Here is the channel that has been created with the topic of the discussion written by Lucy, building material for Finnish log houses. This is the question she asked, the purpose of this discussion. Let's continue the conversation. This is Daniel. Hi, the answer to that question is complicated. Would this home insurance product be only applied to log houses? Switching over to Lucy. Yes, that is the idea. We will not offer it to cover any other type of house. Daniel continues. Then, without a doubt, you can rate it as A+ risk, no problem. Do you have a different opinion? Lucy says, no, I fully agree with you. Lucy writes the conclusion. As long as we do not include any other type of building material, we think the A+ rate should be appropriate. Lucy highlights this in bold and sets it as an important entry. And that's it, she has her answer. This is a very useful tab, which is part of the integration of AuraPortal with Teams. Lucy was in this task when she opened the discussion. Lucy has her answer now. Daniel confirmed that A+ rating is the right option, so now she's going to close the discussion. Here she chooses who to notify about closing the discussion. These are the team members. This integration is powered by AuraPortal. Lucy closes the discussion. After Lucy closes the discussion in Teams, AuraPortal has sent her a task to review the information regarding the discussion. It shows the topic of the discussion and the name of the channel created in Teams, when the discussion was opened, by whom, and when it was closed and by whom. The editable list of team members who will receive the discussion summary report. At this moment, Lucy is retrieving the conversation from Teams. By clicking on Compose Report, the summary is created with all the information of that specific discussion and the process task from where it was opened. She enters this field to check the created document. And sends the report to two members on the list, Daniel and herself. And here we see that Daniel has received a notification, discussion closed. Lucy Carrington is sending you reports regarding the discussion indicated below. Now she continues with her task, filling in the risk rates for the new Finnish insurance product. It's worth mentioning that Aura Portal has automatically stored the team summary reports here for future reference.